Hello, how you doing? So today, look, we're making this. We're going to make a salmon cream sauce pasta. It is so simple and it is really, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got here a couple of salmon fillets. Now I've got one facing up, as you can see, and one facing down. So that was skin side. So they did have their skin on, and I've removed the skin. Now you can use a knife and do it, but what I do is I just get my finger underneath and I just sort of slowly work it. You know, I sort of get in there and do that, work it, and it peels off, so you can try that. So about 250 grams each, so 500 grams in total, which is about a pound. We're gonna slice that up. We're gonna make this beautiful pasta. So you can see that I've cut it up into those size pieces. Do it smaller or larger if you want. So I've got a frying pan here. I've got some olive oil in there. We're simply gonna just get our salmon and drop that in. I'm just going to fry this around on a medium heat. We're going to go for probably about 5 to 6 minutes. It will cook quite quickly. Like I said, I've cut it in this size, but feel free to cut it however you want. So I'm just going to stir fry this around first. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper, and then off we go. Beautiful stuff. Okay, so I've gently fried that around. Beautiful. Nice bit of colour on it as well. So off goes the heat. Just set that aside. Let's move on. So I'm in a larger pan now, and I've taken the oil that we fried the fish in and put it there because it's got some lovely flavour. To that I'm going to add a nice big piece of butter. That's like a tablespoon or so of butter. We're on a below medium heat. Let me melt that down. Okay, that's melting down just nicely. We've got some onion, like a cup of onion sliced. Tiny amount of garlic, just like a teaspoon or like a clove of garlic. A little bit more salt, a little bit more black pepper. And keep it nice and gentle now. And let's go for about 4 or so minutes. Beautiful stuff. We're now going to add some bell peppers. There's like 1 cup in total. Cut them nice and small, some little colours there. If you want, add some different vegetable. We're just going with the peppers today. And we're going to go again, keeping it nice and gentle for about another 3 or 4 minutes. So nice and gentle all the way on this one. I'm now going to add some cream. Now I've got 250 ml of cream. I'm using a thick cream. It doesn't matter what cream you use, thick or thin. So no need to email me or ask me a question. If you've got a thick or heavy cream, as I think you call it in the States, or a thin single cream that we call it in the UK, it won't matter. Just work that in. It will melt down beautifully, you know, as the heat runs through it. To that we're going to reintroduce our salmon. And we're not going to be stirring here, we're going to be folding. Otherwise you're going to break the fish. And again, we're going to go for another 4 minutes. You need to keep moving this pretty much all the time now. And that's beautiful, really come together nicely. Chopped parsley, or like a basil or something like that. From fresh basil would be nice, but yeah, I'm just going with that. And then pasta. I'm going to add my pasta in there. I'm using fusilli. And I've just got like 3 cups of pasta. It's cold because I cooked it earlier. So I'm going to, again, go for about another 3 minutes. We're folding, we're not stirring, you know, be gentle. Job done. And there you have it. That is really simple. It is really, really tasty. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I will see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.